In this question, we want to make P the subject of the formula. So let's see. We are given this equation and we are asked to isolate this guy. Right? P is currently multiplied by the bracket. And this bracket basically can be removed by dividing. So on the left we have A, and then we can now divide that by 1 plus in, which was multiplying on the right. So 1 plus in is a multiplier here on the right. So on the left it must be a divisor. And ladies and gentlemen, we have indeed isolated P. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and share with family and friends, as there are many videos that are going to help you with your mathematics journey. Thank you very much. Tango.